I just bought a 2003 CR125. It's never had a top end done. It really hasn't had a lot of maintenance, but apparently it's got low hours. So I'm gonna do a top end this week. I've got a piston and ring and the whole gasket kit on order. It should be coming in, and I'm gonna take care of that this week. But there's some noise in the top end, so I wanted you to hear the noise. See if you can let me know what you think it is. Definitely noise in the top end. Sounds like maybe piston slap or something going on. So let me know if you can figure out what that is. I'm going to do piston and ring this week.